you go, make sure to subscribe, drop an amazing comment, smash that like button, and hit the bell icon so every new video reaches you first. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.
Imagine opening the door of a $47 million Kenworth motorhome and discovering that the road ahead is only the beginning. This isn't a normal RV tour. It's a look at a luxury motorhome concept built around the idea of bringing an entire mansion onto American highways. And the deeper we go, the more unbelievable the layout becomes. If you love extraordinary RVs, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which room you would visit first. Now, let's start where every journey begins, the drive cabin. Up front, the drive cabin establishes the character of this massive Kenworth-based motorhome. The commanding windshield gives the driver a forward view of the road, while the surrounding design emphasizes comfort and control. Because the exact specifications of a $47 million version are not publicly established, think of this tour as a concept-style walkthrough rather than a verified production model. From the cabin, we move directly into floor 1, where the living experience begins. The first stop is the lounge, designed as the social heart of the motorhome. Spacious seating, premium finishes, and large windows create the place to relax while the American landscape moves outside. Next comes the kitchen, imagined as a full luxury cooking space rather than a compact RV galley. After that is the bathroom, followed by the bedroom, giving this level a complete residential rhythm. Then comes the office, creating a private place for work, planning, or simply escaping the noise. Finally, floor 1 reaches the laundry area, a practical feature that makes extended travel more comfortable. But this is only the first level, because floor 2 changes the mood completely. Upstairs, the medication room introduces a more specialized space, followed by the gym for staying active during long journeys. Then comes the massage area, designed around relaxation after a demanding day on the road. The drawing room shifts the atmosphere again, offering a more formal setting for conversation and entertaining. And then there's the mini bar, adding a dedicated social corner to this level. Yet something even more unexpected is waiting above, because floor 3 takes this motorhome from luxury living into full entertainment territory. Floor 3 begins with a kids' playing area, giving younger passengers their own place to stay entertained. Next is the dance party club, transforming the motorhome into a private celebration space. Then comes the men's kit room, followed by the mysterious Love Twins secret room, a dramatic concept feature whose exact real-world specifications are not independently verified. From there, the Sky Lounge raises the experience again, creating a space focused on views, conversation, and relaxation. But the biggest surprise on this floor is still ahead, an indoor swimming pool. An indoor pool inside a motorhome sounds almost impossible, yet as a concept, it captures the ambition behind this mansion on wheels idea. After the pool comes the smart technology control room, the place where advanced onboard systems could theoretically be monitored and managed. That means floor 3 isn't simply about entertainment. It represents the point where luxury, technology, and mobility meet. And just when you think every major surprise has been revealed, the final destination remains above us. The rooftop deck is where the journey reaches its visual climax. Imagine stepping outside into an elevated open-air space surrounded by panoramic views, premium seating, a sophisticated outdoor lounge, and room to enjoy the scenery without leaving the motorhome. Whether parked beside an American mountain range, overlooking a dramatic desert landscape, or resting near a coastal highway, this rooftop could become the ultimate viewing platform. And that's what makes this concept so fascinating. The $47 million figure should be treated as a title or concept value, not a confirmed production price, while the individual spaces represent the requested design vision rather than verified factory specifications. Still, the sequence tells a remarkable story. A commanding drive cabin, 6 distinct floor 1 spaces, 5 specialized floor 2 areas, 7 entertainment and technology spaces on floor 3, and a rooftop finale. And there is another reason this sequence matters. Instead of jumping randomly between flashy rooms, the layout moves upward like a real home. Driving first, daily living next, wellness and entertainment after that, and finally the open sky. That progression makes the motorhome feel less like a collection of rooms and more like a vertical luxury experience designed for American travel. It leaves one question hanging. If a concept can imagine this much comfort on wheels, what could the next generation of RVs possibly add? If you want more tours of outrageous luxury RV concepts, massive American motorhomes, and futuristic mansion-on-wheels designs, subscribe now, because the next build could be even more extreme. Which features surprised you most? The indoor pool, the secret room, or the rooftop deck? Drop your answer below, and keep watching for the next incredible machine.